Happy midweek, chikahan mga kapuso! Back-to-back ang milestone ni Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards na kinilala ng isang lifestyle magazine. At achievement unlocked din ang kanyang first ever gravel cycling race. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
A round of applause for everyone's favorite tisoy, Mr. Alden Richards!
Isang bagong parangal ang tinanggap ni Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards bilang isa sa Men Who Matter 2025 mula sa lifestyle magazine na People Asia.
Sarap lang sa pakiramdam kasi parang nagbubunga lahat ng yung mga works ko behind the camera. I'm in my legacy building stage and the question every day that pops in my head is how do you want to be remembered by the people around you? And that's the reason why I keep on doing what I'm doing.
Bukod sa natanggap na award, may achievement unlock din si Tisoy nitong weekend. First time niyang lumahok sa gravel cycling race at proud niyang natapos ang 71 kilometers ride.
It's a humbling experience. Ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na the only thing that matters to me that time was, of course, safety is number one. But it was just me, the bike, and the terrain, and the finish line. Saya, ulitin ko yun.
Very personal daw ang cycling journey ni Alden, na bahagi na raw ng kanyang morning routine almost every day at nagbibigay sa kanya ng clarity and sanity. Nagsimula na rin siya sa kanyang aviation school.
The reason why it's happening to me right now is alam ni Lord one way or another that I'm gonna be able to finish that. So I'm taking it one step at a time. Wala akong minamadali.
Tuwing Sabado, napapanood din si Alden bilang host sa Kapuso dance reality show na Stars on the Floor, na gearing towards their final episodes.
Nabuo talaga yung relationships. Naging solid talaga lahat. And now that we're reaching almost the end, di pa po tapos mga kapuso, pero almost the end, medyo may konting melancholic feeling lang. But kaya naman. Malay mo season 2, no?
Aubrey Carampel, updated to showbiz happening.